So what is GrooveFunnels exactly and how does it work? This video is going to be great if you've just heard about GrooveFunnels. Maybe you heard a little bit about it but are curious to see what it comes along with and how it can help you ultimately build and grow your online business. Now, first and foremost, if you're watching this on YouTube, down below I will put a link to GrooveFunnels where you can actually get started for free. Something that is really great about this sales funnel platform is that they do offer a free plan, and depending on when you're watching this during the grand opening, they do have a lifetime offer where once that is done, it will be moved to a monthly subscription plan. So if you want to actually get access to it like I did, you can pay once for a slightly higher price tag. Then of course you get it for life and there will be no ongoing payments. So this is the homepage where if you click on the link down below, you'll get taken to a page that looks very similar to this. During this time, they are offering some free bonuses. I'm not going to go too deep into those. I feel like they might be adding more, and I don't think they've actually added them into the system yet, so I don't want to confuse anyone. But as you talked about right here, it is overall the main purpose is going to be for creating landing pages, sales funnels, as well as selling products with their Groove cells. So if you look down below right here, it says everything you need to sell products and services online, not just a page and funnel builder. As you can see on the left, it says free unlimited products. You can build brand websites with full navigation. You get custom domains, bandwidth, and hosting. Sell products with one-click upsells. You get upsells, downsells, and order bumps. You get a powerful affiliate program. You get powerful automated behavioral-based email marketing based upon tagging, which is optional with GrooveMail. You get memberships and, of course, video marketing built right in, which is optional with Groove Video. So as you can see on top where it says there's no card required ever, the only time you would need one is if obviously you want to upgrade to the lifetime deal if it's still around when you're watching this, or if you do want to get a paid plan in the future, you would just simply need to add your information there and of course get free access. So once you do get started, you will get taken to the main inside page. This is the dashboard where it talks about all of the features and the stuff they have. This is just at the time they have a free 14-day Groovathon going on where they're going to pretty much giving you information. And as it says right here, interviews, giveaways, funnel builds, training, and other cool grooviness. So if you look on the left here, there are going to be many different features that GrooveFunnels is going to come along with. So to avoid confusion, GrooveFunnels is the main software. This is the big software, and underneath it is going to be all of the different features. So don't get confused that their features also have Groove in them. So keep in mind this is the big software and everything under it, and this too are going to be the features. So let me talk quickly about these. Groove Pages is going to be for your landing pages, your sales funnels, and your websites. Groove Cell is going to be your free shopping cart where you can do all those one-click upsells. You can integrate with multiple payment processors, create your checkouts, your order bumps, and so on and so forth. Groove Affiliate is going to be the affiliate program where you can actually recruit an army of affiliates to help promote your products, offers, and services. There's going to be Groove Mail, which is simply for sending email with a lot of advanced automation. Groove Member is going to be for memberships. Video will be there, which I talked about on the previous page, where they have videos that you can actually upload and they can host for you. GrooveKart is going to be more of a shopping cart for e-commerce. And of course, as it talks about right here, there's going to be future GrooveFunnels or more future GrooveFunnels features. Groove Blog is going to be for blogging, webinars for webinars. Desk is going to be a support desk, so you won't need to get a separate third-party system or platform, say like Freshdesk. Calendars for, booking your calendars. This is great if you have, say, like a coaching or consulting or anything that requires to do applications and fill your calendar. And of course, surveys for your surveys. Plus, there's going to be a whole lot more. GrooveFunnels is one of those all-in-one platform builders, and they truly are, given the fact that they have just about everything that you need to build and grow your online business. Now, as of creating this video, they are still in the beta, as it's hard to see right there because that's where my video cuts off, but on the bottom it still says that, so they aren't going to be 100% squeaky clean, but that kind of comes along with the fact that if you're going to be getting a lifetime upgrade, it's kind of a good trade-off. They're still in the process of making things better, much smoother, and I believe it's going to be a really solid software once it does launch and move forward. Also, once you're on this page, if you do scroll down to the bottom, which you can't see because my window cuts it off, there will be an upgrade somewhere, whatever it is on the page, where it talks about how you can actually get one-time access to this. Now, it depends on when you're watching this because it's not going to be around forever, but this is pretty much going to be the pricing plans when it comes to GrooveFunnels, okay? So there's the base, which is free to everyone, and they have silver, gold, and platinum. Platinum is what they are now launching in terms of the ability to get a one-time payment where the pricing is going to be down below. But normally once this grand opening is closed, this is going to be $299 a month, and I believe it's going to be like around $1,400. Let me see. Yeah, so it can be 3 payments of $497 or just $1,397, which is going to be the best price. That's a one-time payment. Then you never have to pay, obviously, recurring fees. But that's just an example of what they offer in terms of the pricing when it comes to the lifetime. Like I said, keep in mind this isn't going to be around forever, depending on when you're watching this. So I do recommend either way signing up for the free plan. You can always test it out for free. And if you like what they have to offer, there's obviously the option to upgrade before the grand opening has finished. So that's just a good amount of information when it comes to GrooveFunnels, what it does, how it works, and so on and so forth. GrooveFunnels is going to be great for anyone who's looking to build landing pages, sales funnels, which pretty much means any type of online business. Plus what they have GrooveSell, where you have the free shopping cart. There is a lot to like when it comes to this. That's why I really like it. I purchased the premium, the one-time deal, so it's something I would recommend you do if you are interested in this. Despite the fact I have multiple landing pages and sales funnel builders, I just happen to love software. You know, I love a lot of things about a lot of different companies and platforms. And it is really cool to see how they are kind of starting from square one and how they're launching this and what they're going to be doing. I'm pretty excited about it. So like I said, if you have any interest down below, at least check it out for free. Pretty much nothing to lose except, you know, getting a ton of free access to a lot of great software tools. So I hope this video kind of quickly explained what GrooveFunnels is all about and how it can help you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the link down below and have a great day.